Insurance premiums have gone up 50% since the start of the year, and that's just the start of what's to come. I'm Kalila Reynolds, financial journalist and educator based in Jamaica. If you pay car insurance or homeowners insurance, then your monthly premiums are going up, if they haven't already. Last year, Managing Director of BCIC Insurance, Peter Levy, came on Taking Stock to warn us that insurance premiums could go up by 40% in 2023. Well, according to this article in the Jamaica Observer, some general insurance companies have already raised monthly payments by 50 and even 60% since the start of the year. General insurance typically refers to anything that is not life insurance. So your car insurance, homeowners insurance, accident insurance, etc. But why the increase? Well, there are a couple of factors at play. Levy explained that re-insurers were increasing their costs. A reinsurer is a larger institution that gives insurance to other insurance companies. So let me explain. Because Jamaica and other Caribbean countries' economies are so small, and we're more likely to have catastrophic events like hurricanes, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, insurance companies can't generate enough income from our premiums to cover all those potential losses. So they have to borrow from other larger companies or institutions. Most reinsurance companies that are able to take on that risk are in Europe and North America. But of course, with all the global uncertainties, reinsurers have been feeling the pinch themselves, and those risks now look a little riskier than they did before. Plus, there's the gift that keeps on giving: interest rates. Yup, higher interest rates mean higher cost of doing business for companies. It's one of the reasons reinsurers raised their costs too. The cost of doing business for them went up, so they passed on that cost to local insurance companies, and then those local insurance companies passed on the cost to us. Well, locally, we know the Bank of Jamaica raised its policy rate to 7%. The policy interest rate is what the BOJ charges financial institutions that borrow from it. So this sets the pace for the loan rates that banks charge customers. So reinsurers increased their rates and the BOJ increased its rates, and now the customers, you and me, our purse strings are getting drawn tighter. And it's a double whammy because existing mortgage rates are going up at most, if not all, banks. So not only will you have to pay the insurance company more for your home, but you'll have to pay the bank more too. Wild, right? Oh, well, let me know in the comments if your insurance premiums have gone up and by how much. Do you think it's gonna go up even further? Subscribe to my newsletter for money news like this straight to your inbox. Click the link up here or in the description below. Let's get this money.